How to fix WAN 9005 error on Valorant. So if you want to fix the WAN 9005 error on Valorant, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the search, and under search you need to search for core isolation and open up. Once you open it up, now here you will have the memory integrity, right? So make sure that it is turned off. And after that, you need to again go with the search and search for the command prompt. Go with run as administrator and click on yes, and make sure to click on run as administrator because it won't work if you don't do that. And here you need to enter the command. So you need to enter bcdedit space / set again space and hypervision launch type space off and hit the enter. And after that, you just need to simply restart your device. And after restarting, now proceed with the third step, which is you just need to simply go with the search again and search for system information. Open system information, and here you need to search for virtualization based security and make sure that it is not enabled. So you just need to simply right click on it, and then you just need to simply go and not enable if it is enabled. So once you've done that, now you just need to simply remove it and restart your computer and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your WAN 9005 error on your Valorant. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.